Hi everyone and welcome back to today's morning report with me, Richard Perry, market analyst at Handtech Markets for Friday the 21st of March. The chart we're going to look at now is sterling dollar, and once again the dollar has strengthened on this chart, pulling cable sharply lower. The bulls are now going to have to really fight for this one. I think on the medium term basis the outlook is being severely tested. This uptrend that's been in place since August is now under severe threat. Also, you've got this 89-day moving average, which supported the lows in February, is also now pretty much bang on where we are now. So that is interesting as well. 67.40 is that 89-day moving average. 64.70 is that 89-day moving average, but 64.80 is pretty much where we're trading at the moment. The momentum indicators are all. I mean, you'd argue that the MACD lines are still slightly in bullish configuration, but are falling away, so that's not looking increasingly that great. And stochastics are also in negative configuration. The RSI is also continuing to fall away, so the outlook is certainly under pressure on this medium-term basis, and really the bulls need to fight for this one now. So it's a very interesting time for cable on a medium to longer term basis anyway. The intraday chart shows that we're in a series of step declines with the reaction high at 65.68, the latest one yesterday at 65.20, and pressure to the downside. Now, I've been talking at length over the past number of weeks actually about this 38.2% retracement of the 62.50 to 68.22 move higher. That 38.2% retracement for the Fibonacci was used on numerous occasions as the base of support. So I imagine I'll now have to start talking about 64.69 as the basis of support, which is the 61.8% Fibonacci retracement level. So that is certainly going to be the first line of support for cable, and as I said, on the there's a double support there, because 64.70 is where that 89-day moving average comes in on the daily chart. So a couple of supports around that level that might provide the sterling bulls with a bit of respite. But certainly at the moment there is a stepped decline, and any rallies are being sold into. All moving averages are falling in a bearish sequence, and the momentum indicators are also in bearish configuration as well. So I would be using any sort of bounce as a chance to sell this chart. There's the 50% retracement at 65.36. That would still be used as a bit of a benchmark there. So I think any sort of recovery into that sort of band there would be seen as a chance to sell. There's resistance from that low at 65.43 as well, so anything around this 65.40 to 65.50 level I think should be seen as a chance to sell this if you get that opportunity. But as I said, just bear in mind that you might get this support forming around about the 64.69 and 64.70 level on this chart, and certainly if that does go, then you could pretty quickly, so I'll just open this up, you could pretty quickly find yourself back down and testing these lows in the 64 big figure level. Anyway, I wish you good luck in your trading on cable today. As I said earlier, there's no massive amount of data for the to impact on this chart today. The data is mainly Canadian, although the Fed speakers later on this afternoon could have an impact if they say anything significantly hawkish. That would suggest that would help to drag cable lower once more. Anyway, I wish you good luck in your trading on cable, and I will speak to you later.